Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Zaheer here, and today we will learn number formatting in thousand separators and custom number formatting. Okay, let's go. As you can see in my screen, I have some numbers here and 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakhs, and 1 crore. So here I wanted to display in thousand separators or thousand, in thousands. So here I have one value where I just use the same reference. Can you just, if you see here, I have the same reference here. Okay. So what I do is I just select this one plus control 1. We'll go to the formatting, go to the number, just say 1000 separators, and then okay. So now I have here with 1000 separators, and I don't want a decimal value. You can, this one is increase or you can reduce the value. So if you go again, control 1, or you can press here. So if you go to the custom formatting, see here it is in 1000, here 1000. If you have a decimal point, if you need decimal point, you can just use double zero. So you'll have it in 1000 with decimal points. Okay, so this is one way. Okay, just use it. And this one is the same thing. Whatever we have here, we just wanted to select the format and press it again. You can use that as well. You can just use the same format if you want. You can just click here the format and do the formatting. Just hold it, and then again you press. Now I need a decimal value here. So what you need to do, go to custom, say .00. So it will display in decimal points, same thing. Now I need to, this is a 1000 separator number formatting, and I want in number to be displayed in divided by 1000. So what happened is this value, say for example, if you divide by 1000, what you need, it should be displayed as 1. Okay, and similarly this one should be displayed as 10 because it is in 10,000. So select here the same value, again go here. What you do, just use as usual number formatting and say go to custom, say you need 2 decimal points. You can come back here, use 1000 separator with 2 decimal points, say okay, this is a normal. And now I need it should be displayed as, should be divided by 1000. Okay, and see here whatever number you have, let's say you have a value here, and just say comma, and say okay. You will have everything, the values will be divided by 1000. So whatever this is what we have earlier, just press Ctrl Z. Whatever we have value, that will be divided into 1000. Okay, Control Y, just putting, so 1000 divided by 1000. So what I did is just nothing but I have used just comma version here, nothing else. So the 1 comma will reduce, will divide it by 1000. Now I want a text to be displayed as 1000. Say like I don't like, say you can just space, you can give space if you want, or if you don't give space, no problem, you can just press backslash, say k, means 1000. So it will display as 1k, and you need a space here after comma, you just press space, and then it will be displayed as k. I'm not adding, if you see here, the value is still whatever value you have here. For example, just copy and paste value. See here, the value whatever you see here is 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakhs, and 1 crore. So this is divided by 1000. So it's saying 1000 is 1k, 10,000 is 10k, and 1 lakh is 1000k. So this is how it is displaying. Okay, and here it is same thing. Whatever here I have a same thing. I just use the same value. If you want, you can use it. This one is space without space. And let's go and show million. Sorry. Okay, I use the same format here. I use the same format of 1000 format. So what you need to do, press again number formatting. Instead of k, what I need in millions. So millions, fine. But we have only changing it to m. So what we need to do, we need to use another comma. So it will divide one more thousand. Sorry, I just use slash backslash. Okay. So now what have in thousand, it is in, if you want to display in 3 decimal points, you can still do, we'll go here and do, but right now what it says is this 1 lakh, 10 lakhs is showing us 1 million, 1 crore is showing us 10 million, which is fine. Okay, this is just use 2 commas instead of 1 comma for 1,000, 2 commas for million. Now I need a 3 decimal points, so use the same format again. Go back here and say what you need to do. We need a 3 decimal points, so you can use, I need to use 3 decimal points here. Okay, this is one. And one more example, I'll just see. Earlier in the class we have understand this is a positive value. Copy, if you put semicolon, whatever value here it is in, it will be in negative value, then zeros, then text. So in zeros I'm not using, I'm just leaving. Let's remove this as it is. So whatever the after semicolon, you want a negative value to be displayed in brackets. Say for example, negative value you want to display in brackets. Say okay. Let's say you have here, you type minus 1 million. So it is coming in minus. So that is also okay. Another thing, let's say you want, again go back to display in red color. Go back here and say after coming, you're saying should be in red. RED closer thing. So it is in red now. So this is the format we have for for a negative for million. So any point in time we can use this format. If we want to this format again, for example, I have some value here. Let's say let's keep it in general format. Now I need this format. Either you can use this copy and format this, or Control Z. I'll just go here and go to custom. The format which I used before is already there. Let's see where it is. It should be number formatting. Go to custom. Okay, this is the one we have used. So you just select this one, say okay. So this is in change. So if you see, if you have in minus, it will show in minus. So I think we have used another format. Let's go. Okay, not sorry, this one we have used. Say okay. And not even this. Sorry, this one. We've used this one. Okay, so whatever the format we already have, you can still use this. Okay, this is one. Hi, yes, hope you like my video today. It's about number formatting, 1,000 separators. In the next class, we will discuss about custom number formatting and what is the advantages of using custom number formatting compared to conditional formatting. Okay, so see you until then. Bye bye. Thank you.